The joy of wood, build it yourself. Woodworking is awesome. Making something with your own two hands is satisfying. It's a skill passed down for generations. Building something yourself makes you appreciate it even more. Working with wood is therapeutic. The smell, the feel, the sounds. It's a great way to relax and unwind after a long day. Plus, you get something beautiful and useful at the end. No better feeling than using something you built yourself. Your woodworking arsenal, tools of the trade. You don't need a fancy workshop to start woodworking. Start with the basics. Measuring tape. Accurate measuring is key. Get a sturdy tape measure. Handsaw, for cutting wood to size. Hammer, for driving nails straight and true. Screwdrivers. Get a set with different sizes and types of heads. Wood glue, essential for joining pieces of wood. Sandpaper, smooth out those rough edges and surfaces. These basic tools will get you started on many projects. As you gain experience, you can add more specialized tools. Always buy the best quality tools you can afford. They'll last longer and give you better results. Welcome to Woodworking 101, Basic Techniques for Beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you master the essentials. Let's cover some fundamental woodworking techniques. Measuring and marking. Accurate measuring is crucial for any woodworking project. It ensures that all your pieces fit together perfectly. Always double-check your measurements before making any cuts. This simple step can save you a lot of time and material. Use a pencil to mark your cuts clearly. A sharp pencil will give you a precise line to follow when cutting. When it comes to cutting, use your handsaw to cut along your marked lines. Make sure to follow the line as closely as possible to ensure accuracy. Take your time and make smooth, even strokes with the saw. Rushing can lead to mistakes and uneven cuts. Now let's talk about joining pieces of wood. Wood glue is your friend. It's strong and creates a durable bond. Apply glue evenly to both surfaces you want to join. Make sure to cover the entire area to ensure a strong bond. Use clamps to hold the pieces together tightly while the glue dries. Clamping ensures that the pieces stay in place and the bond is strong. Sanding is the final step to create a smooth finish. It removes any rough edges and prepares the wood for finishing. Start with coarser sandpaper to remove larger imperfections. Then gradually move to finer grits for a polished look. This will give your project a professional finish. Practice these techniques on scrap wood before tackling your main projects. This will help you get a feel for the tools and techniques. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Woodworking is a skill that improves with time and experience. Happy woodworking! Project time: crafting a simple wooden shelf. Ready to build something? Today we're going to guide you through the process of creating a simple yet elegant wooden shelf that you can proudly display in your home. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete beginner, this project is perfect for you. Let's make a simple wooden shelf. This project will not only enhance your woodworking skills, but also provide you with a functional piece of furniture that you can use to organize your space. Materials: 1 6-foot long, 1 by 10-inch board. This will be the main material for your shelf. Make sure to choose a good quality wood that is sturdy and free from major defects. 12 wood screws, 1 1/4 inches long. These screws will hold your shelf together, providing the necessary strength and stability. Wood glue, sandpaper, tools, measuring tape, handsaw, screwdriver, pencil. These tools and materials are essential for the construction and finishing of your shelf. Instructions: cut your wood. Cut your board into these pieces. This step is crucial as it determines the final dimensions of your shelf. Take your time to measure accurately and cut precisely. 2 32-inch pieces for the sides. These will form the vertical supports of your shelf, providing the necessary height and structure, and 1 12-inch piece for the shelf. This will be the horizontal surface where you can place your items. Mark and attach sides. On the 2 32-inch pieces, measure 10 inches up from one end. Make a mark. This mark will guide you in attaching the shelf at the correct height. This is where your shelf will attach. Ensuring that both side pieces are marked at the same height is essential for a level shelf. Repeat on the other side piece. Consistency is key to making sure your shelf is balanced and stable. Apply wood glue to the ends of the 12-inch shelf piece. The glue will provide additional strength to the joints, ensuring that your shelf is durable. Align it with the marks on the side pieces. Take your time to make sure everything is perfectly aligned before moving on to the next step. Use 4 screws to attach each side piece to the shelf. This will secure the shelf in place, making it sturdy and reliable. Sand and finish. Sand all edges and surfaces of your shelf until smooth. This step is important for both the appearance and safety of your shelf, removing any rough edges or splinters. You can stain or paint your shelf if you like. Adding a finish not only enhances the look of your shelf but also protects the wood from damage. Congratulations, you've built your first shelf. Feel proud. Display it in your home and enjoy the satisfaction of having created something with your own hands. Happy crafting! Section 5. Project Time. Building your own phone stand. Time for another project. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical woodworking project that you can complete in just a few hours. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner, this project is perfect for anyone looking to create something useful and stylish. Let's build a handy phone stand. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a piece of wood, some sandpaper, and a few basic tools. This project doesn't require any fancy equipment, just some patience and a steady hand. For the materials, you'll need one piece of wood, 6 inches long, 4 inches wide, and 1 inch thick. Additionally, you'll need sandpaper to smooth out the edges. As for the tools, you'll need a handsaw and a pencil for marking your cuts. Now let's move on to the instructions. Step 1. Cut the base. This is the foundation of your phone stand, so it's important to get this right. Take your piece of wood and measure out a section that is 4 inches long and 4 inches wide. Use your handsaw to make a clean cut. Carefully cut the piece of wood, ensuring that your cuts are straight and even. This will be the base of your stand, so precision is key. Once you've made your cut, set the base piece aside. This will be the base of your stand. Make sure it's sturdy and well cut, as it needs to support the weight of your phone. Step 2. Cut the support. This piece will hold your phone in place. Measure out a piece of wood that is 6 inches long and 1 inch wide. This will be the support for your phone. Use your handsaw to carefully cut this piece. It's important to be precise here as well, as this piece will determine the angle at which your phone rests. This will be the support for your phone. Make sure it's cut accurately to ensure a stable stand. Step 3. Create the slant. This is where your phone will rest. On the 6-inch piece, measure 2 inches from one end. This will be your starting point for the diagonal cut. Use your pencil to mark the 2-inch point clearly. This will guide your saw as you make the diagonal cut. Use your saw to make a diagonal cut from the 2-inch mark to the opposite bottom corner. This cut will create the slant that allows your phone to rest comfortably on the stand. This creates the slant for your phone to rest on. Make sure the cut is smooth and even, as this will affect the stability of your phone on the stand. Step 4. Sand and assemble. Sand all the edges until smooth. This step is crucial for both the appearance and the safety of your phone stand. Take your time to sand all the edges thoroughly. Smooth edges not only look better but also prevent any splinters or rough spots that could damage your phone. Attach the slanted support to the base using wood glue. Apply a generous amount of glue to ensure a strong bond. Make sure the slanted edge is facing upward. Press the pieces together firmly and hold them in place until the glue sets. And there you have it, your very own handmade phone stand. It's a simple project, but one that results in a very useful and attractive item. You now have a stylish and functional phone stand, perfect for your desk, nightstand, or kitchen counter. Enjoy your new creation and the satisfaction of having built it yourself. Section 6. From hobby to hustle, selling your woodwork. Want to make some money from your new skills? You can sell your woodworking creations. Online marketplaces, websites like Etsy are great for selling handmade goods. Craft fairs, local craft fairs are a fun way to connect with customers and sell directly. Social media, use platforms like Instagram to showcase your work and attract buyers. Start small and price your items fairly. High-quality photos and descriptions are important for attracting customers. Provide excellent customer service and build a good reputation. Section 7. Safety first. Protecting yourself in the workshop. Woodworking is fun, but safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate safety gear. Safety glasses protect your eyes from flying debris. Dust mask, wood dust is harmful to your lungs. Hearing protection, power tools can be loud, protect your hearing. Keep your workshop clean and organized. Don't rush your work and always use tools properly. Safety should always be your top priority. Section 8. The journey of 1,000 boards begins with a single cut. Don't be intimidated by woodworking. Everyone starts somewhere. Begin with simple projects and gradually challenge yourself. Make mistakes, learn from them, and keep practicing. Woodworking is a journey of skill and creativity. Embrace the process and enjoy the satisfaction of building something with your own two hands. Section 9. Share your creations. Join the woodworking community. There's a whole community of woodworkers out there, eager to share their passion. Connect with fellow enthusiasts online or at local woodworking clubs. Share your projects, ask for advice, and learn from others. Woodworking is even more rewarding when shared with others. Now go forth and make something great.